Maintaining your equipment keeps your operation running and minimizes costly downtime. Maintenance is a tool in John Deere Operations Center web that allows you to create preventative maintenance plans for your machines, set up alerts for upcoming tasks, and track repairs, whether you have a few machines or an entire fleet. In this video, we will discuss overview of the maintenance tool, how to create maintenance plans, how to receive maintenance notifications, and how to add and track repairs. With maintenance, you can create factory and custom maintenance plans to ensure your machine receives the regular maintenance and repairs it needs. Using maintenance plans helps eliminate the guesswork in equipment upkeep. Factory maintenance plans are created by John Deere and are pre-populated in Operations Center and JD Link. Just provide a few details about the machine and you'll have a recommended factory maintenance plan complete with task lists for hourly maintenance intervals and fluid recommendations. Take control of your machine's maintenance by creating custom maintenance plans. These plans give you the option to create your own hourly maintenance intervals and task lists for any machine, including non-connected and non-John Deere machines. You can also save custom plans as templates to easily apply to other machines. There are two ways you can access maintenance in Operations Center web via the Plan menu or the Machine Details page on the map. The Machine Details page takes you to a specific machine in the Maintenance tool. To do this, navigate the equipment list and select a machine. This will open the Machine Details page. Under the Tools heading, select the Maintenance Manager button. For this example, we will use the Plan menu. The landing page provides an overview of the maintenance plans and activities in your organization. Here you will see pods that highlight which maintenance plans are past due, those that are due soon, a general summary of the plans in your organization, and a list of machines without maintenance plans. Select the View All Machines button to open the maintenance equipment list. This page features a table and provides an overview of all machines in your organization. Here you can use the filter panel to search by the machine name or PIN. The filters can help quickly identify machines based on their plan status, connectivity status, or equipment type. The table features headers to help organize information. You will see headers for the machine name, upcoming service, which indicates if the plan is due soon or overdue, and plan type, which indicates if the machine is enrolled in a factory or custom plan. You can also view engine hours and the last call-in date for connected machines. It looks like this machine needs a maintenance plan. We'll select the link next to Factory or Custom to create one. Let's start with the Factory Maintenance Plan. Remember, factory maintenance plans are not available for non-John Deere machines. Select the Factory Plan option that best suits your machine and machine options. Name the plan and provide a few details, including the estimated annual usage. Each factory plan is populated based on how many hours the machine will be used throughout the year. On the next page, you will see the plan overview, recommended fluids, and maintenance intervals. Expand the Engine Hours headings to review the maintenance tasks. These are the recommended activities to complete for each maintenance interval every 100 engine hours, 150 engine hours, and so on. The maintenance intervals and tasks are customizable. Simply use the Add button to add a custom task to an interval or the Edit and Delete icons to modify your intervals and tasks as needed. If you would like to delete your plan and start over, select the Delete icon in the lower left-hand corner of the browser. If you are happy with your plan, select Enroll Plan in the lower right-hand corner of the page. Let's take a quick look at custom maintenance plans. A special tip for those who are leasing a machine is that custom maintenance plans can be used as a way to monitor your machine usage so you don't run over your contracted hours. Start by providing the required information, including a plan name, the machine's estimated annual usage, and plan length. With custom plans, you will add your own maintenance intervals and tasks. In this example, we will add a task to check tire pressure every 100 engine hours. If you are leasing, you could add a task to let you know when you are close to using up the designated hours of your lease. After you are finished adding intervals and tasks, you can save the plan as a template so you can easily apply the plan to other machines. For now, we'll finish and select Enroll Plan. After you create your plan, you will start to receive maintenance notifications in the Notification Center. You can also receive notifications via email by setting up a saved search. To do this, navigate to the Filter panel. Under Categories, select Machine Maintenance, and under Severities, select Information, then select Save Search. On the next page, you will create a name for the report and toggle the Email button on. Be sure to select the correct organization in the drop-down menu, then Save. Maintenance allows you to add unscheduled maintenance activities as well. To add a repair, find the machine in the equipment list, open the Details page, and select Maintenance Manager. You will see the Add a Repair button in the lower left-hand corner. This page will allow you to enter task details, notes, and track repair costs. You can view and track the scheduled and unscheduled service history for your machines by navigating to the Service History tab. There are many informational articles to help you as you use maintenance. Navigate to the Assistance menu and select Help Documentation. If you need assistance or have questions, be sure to reach out to your local John Deere dealer or contact John Deere Customer Support via the Contact Support button. In this video, you've learned how to start planning machine maintenance in Operations Center Web. Thanks for watching.